meteorologist Chad Evans, certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, slightly cooler, slightly less humid today with some nice fair weather cumulus bubbling up this afternoon, but already changes are taking place. We've got a storm cluster here in Iowa and South Dakota, and through the evening hours, supercells will blow up here in parts of the western Corn Belt with the potential tornadoes and large hail in this area, and that's setting the stage for this weather pattern that's going to get underway here over the next week. We've got a big ridge of high pressure that's going to develop here in the plains and southeast. As a matter of fact, in the plains and southeast, temperatures at 100 next week, and monsoonal moisture is going to move up and around the ridge, and little disturbances will pivot in from the Pacific Northwest, and that's going to allow storm clusters to form, or a ring of fire pattern to form once again. And we'll see storm clusters develop here in Montana and ride right down the edge of that heat wave right into the Midwest. More on that coming up. But in the meantime, tranquil, temps running in the 80s today, still quite warm, but not as humid, not quite as oppressive as it was yesterday. 85 Lafayette and Monticello, as well as Frankfort, at about 82 at Winnemac, 84 right now at Logansport. And we've got a pretty decent night tonight. Overnight lows dropping as low as 58 degrees up here towards Rochester and Winnemac, 59 Monticello, 60 in Lafayette, Frankfort, towards Kokomo, and about 62 at Crawfordsville, and 61 towards Pence and Earl Park. So open the windows, feeling much better tonight than it has in several nights. Now tomorrow, high thin cirrus clouds and some mid-level cloudiness will start to filter in from the northwest as a result of some storms to our northwest. So a mix of sun and clouds. I've lowered the temperature just a little bit and still not overly humid. Winds will be out of the east early, then turning to the southeast in the afternoon with a high of 85 in Lafayette, 84 at Winnemac, and about 86 at Frankfort and Attica. Now tonight, though, mostly clear, some patchy fog, and that cooler night, upper 50s to lower 60s. But tomorrow, here come the high and mid-level clouds streaming in from the northwest, and late in the evening into the overnight hours, what's left of some big storms to our northwest could skim at least a few scattered showers and thunderstorms through our viewing area. Coverage is going to run about 35%. Most of the severe weather, in fact, all the severe weather, will stay to our west, and the most widespread storm action will stay to our west. So still a few scattered showers and storms tomorrow night. And for Saturday itself, I think clouds will bubble up in the heating of the day and just a few scattered storms popping. I think the main severe weather threat still looks like it could be just to our southwest for Saturday. So in the meantime, here we go over the next several days. 85 tomorrow, severe weather to our northwest, couple showers, storms Friday night. Saturday, main severe threat to our southwest, but still a couple scattered storms. Same thing for Sunday. The main severe threat may actually evolve in our area as we get into early next week. Tonight, though, 60, patchy fog and mostly clear. Tomorrow, 85, partly cloudy, still not too humid. But then storm chances return, especially by middle of next week, Jeff.
Well, it's going to be a summer to remember for sure.
Yeah, a lot of heat, a lot of warm nights, and a lot of storms.
And a lot of rain, yeah. Okay. Yeah.